My emphasis in this work is to be strength-based and resilience-informed. So really honing in on the recognition that we are very, very often focusing in our work on what's wrong or what are the symptoms. And when that becomes the sole focus of our work with others, it's often all that they start to see in themselves. So when we are simultaneously very, very purposefully looking for the existing strengths and sources of support, we broaden that lens. And I believe that not only do our clients come out of therapy feeling more buoyancy in their own internal system, but that we as therapists also feel that. Something that Richard Schwartz speaks about as self-leadership, that we are tapped into